Special thanks to our friends at Casekoo who were nice enough to send us this iPhone 15 Magicstand case. Inside of this box is a black Magicstand iPhone 15 case. So you can see frosted back here on the back of the case. Here's a little Casekoo logo, also a little Casekoo logo there. This is your Magicstand, which just folds right out. So you can set your phone like this or like that, or use it to hold your phone and put it away when you don't need it. Nice cutout for your cameras, cutout for your charging port and speaker grill, cut out for your power button, cut out for your volume rockers, and then a very nice black Magicstand iPhone 15 case. Also, you get a nice set of stickers and then this little pamphlet telling you more about your Magicstand case. Special thanks to our friends at Casekoo who were nice enough to send us this iPhone 15 case. Inside of this package is a blue Magicstand iPhone 15 case. Look at that. Very nice sides on this. Love the baby blue color. Casekoo logo, nice frosted back. Here is your Magicstand, which folds right out to either help you hold your phone or set your phone like this or like this. And of course, you can put it away when you don't need it. Cut out for your power button, your volume rockers, charging port, and speaker grill. And that is this blue iPhone 15 case. Also in here, some cool little included stickers and a little bit of information on your Magicstand from Casekoo. And special thanks to our friends at Casekoo who were nice enough to send us this Magicstand iPhone 15 case. Inside of this package is a green iPhone 15 case. So we have the green case. I can say I love this color. This would be my choice here. Nice frosted back, nice Magicstand, which folds right out so you can set your phone like this or even like that. Use it to hold your phone, or of course, fold it out of the way when you don't need it. Cut out for your cameras, cut out for your power button, cut out for your volume rockers, cut out for your charging port and speaker grill, and a very nice frosted back, beautiful, very light green iPhone 15 case. This is one of my favorites currently. You also get a little pamphlet telling you about your Magicstand and some pretty cool little stickers. Thanks again to Casekoo for sending this to me to unbox and show you. Thank you all for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Deuces.